to show you how to set up a action within ChatGPT so that your custom GPT can send emails for you. So to do this, you'll need a SendGrid account with an authorized email address. This is pretty self-explanatory and easy to do, but you'll need it before you get started. And then you'll also need an API key, which of course you'll want to keep private. So once you have those two things, you can head over to ChatGPT, where you will create a custom GPT. And so you naturally get dropped on the Create tab here and come over to Configure. And the first thing that you want to do is go set up an action. So you can do that here. And you can open your action up. And once you have the action opened, you can either copy and paste or drop in this JSON object from my website. I'll put that in the comments below. You can just import the URL here and it'll do all the fancy stuff. Then you need to add authentication. So you'll do API key and you'll do bearer, and then you'll want to copy and paste your API key in there. Once again, make sure to keep that private. And then when you've done that, you should be able to hop over to your bot and use it naturally. So I'll give an example. So send an email to jdillett@xyz@gmail.com. Oh, I forgot. The other thing that you're going to want to do after you save this is add some instructions. The important thing here is to tell ChatGPT what the verified email address to use. So I can drop in some instructions in the description. I say always use this email address, and so in this case, I will put in my verified email, and then I'll put in my name here. Okay, and then save it. It's important to keep this private only to yourself, because if you don't, other people are going to be able to send emails as you using your API key. And then once you're done, you can hop over to the email bot and send out an email. So I'm going to send an email to myself, give it the subject line YouTube demo, and write a short poem in the email about doing demos. And you'll see ChatGPT think a little bit. And you'll get this. So when actions can do something consequential, you need to allow it. And once you hit allow, the email will send. And then we can pop over to my email inbox. And then the first couple times, things usually go to spam. And you can see here that I'm still configuring working on the instructions to get the name right. But there is the demo. All right, that's what I got.